Okay, so now I'm ready to take on the day. Hey fam, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. Thank you so much for being here. It's Saturday and it is still the week of both mine and Sean's birthday. I had done a video to say that it's my birthday, but it's actually Sean's birthday as well. His birthday is 3 days before me, so we celebrate the whole week long and it's been a joy, you know, both layers, you know how that is. So we're about to touch out on the road now to continue our celebration, but I wanted to check in with you guys, see how you're doing. Comment below and let me know how you're doing. Still have some more content to film. I still have a sponsored content to film, and you know how that is. I'm gonna do a voiceover for another video that I'm filming, so I'll be right back. But in the meantime, in between time, let me know how you guys are doing. We're out in a town. We're actually in some shops. We're doing a little bit of shopping. Trying to see what they have around here because it's kind of lame. But yeah.
Welcome to Wellington!
We're gonna continue with our little mini tour and walk about and enjoy the rest of the day. We're gonna go get some margaritas.
Okay, I'm gonna look for the song too. So anyways, the story behind the song is...
I want to go on this trolley, but we need some friends, like a group of friends or a group of subscribers to come on this trolley with me. Look at it. Like a bunch of seats and a bunch of friends, and you pedal and they play music and it's just a vibe. Who wants to go on it with me?
You drink and you pedal to lose weight.
So we are in downtown Wilmington in North Carolina, in case I forgot to tell you earlier. And we're touring because we're not boring. That was so lame. But you got the
She said it, right?
whatever. Whatever. We're trying to look for a spot to go have a drink. A little cute spot, but it's dead. No music, no nothing. Maybe we're a little too early, so no, let's go to another place. Downtown Wilmington here has like a lot of shops, restaurants and bars, and a lot of tourists that just walk around and sightsee all day, all night. So we're being tourists today, but we're about to head out. We're about to head to this other place called the Cargo District, where everything is made, or a lot of the buildings are made from shipping containers and metal structures. And you guys know how much I like a shipping container structure, right? Comment below if you know, and let's go check it out.
So we are actually at the Cargo District right now. It's a bunch of containers and Rush is somewhere with a drone in the sky. I don't know where exactly she is. But we're about to walk around, tour the place, see some of these different spots. It's a very unique place. It's like a very small district with a bunch of containers all around with shops and restaurants, bars, that kind of stuff. It's interesting. Here she is. We're at an intersection where there's actually a barber shop right across the road made out of containers, and there are a bunch of, it's like this mini, I don't know if it's I should call it an apartment complex or whatever it is, but like a little village of container homes. Each of the houses are made of two 20-foot containers, and they stack it on top of each other. Look at it. So they have the 20-foot containers stacked. At the side of it looks like they built out another living space, but for the most part you have an upstairs and downstairs, and there's two 20-foot containers.
So it's like a little village because there are a little like apartment container complex.
And you can see these balconies, they have the doors open to the containers and such.
And we spoke with some of the people that are there, and we're told that some of them are actually rentals, like Airbnb rentals. So that's pretty cool to see that. And this entire district is called the cargo district, so like everything is from shipping cargo. We're gonna go to a restaurant shortly, and that's also built from cargo, which is very cool to see, because you know, you guys should already know that I love an unconventional structure for homes or businesses or whatever, and this happens to be one. So yeah, just keep watching. Today is really just an exploring day. We're just exploring the city. So here's a restaurant to the side here. So it's a whiskey and wine bar, and as you can see, it has a rooftop. I'm telling you guys, there are some cool things that can be made from shipping containers. Well, here's a planned place, but it's closed. You can see it from the outside, but it's closed. So hey, on to the next spot. It says shop local this way, so let's go shop local. Okay, so there are some shops, people playing games, people having a drink. I like the seating. Okay, some vintage shops over here, dog place, but it's closed. People just having a beautiful evening by the bar, all made out of shipping container. Hello! Hello! And then a lot of the stores are closed. It's a Saturday afternoon. I don't know, they're closed pretty early. So we're at this bar slash restaurant, and again, it's made from shipping container, but it's so hot, so we opted to stay on the inside because it has air conditioning. But the outside is beautiful too, but it's too hot for that. So let's get our margaritas going. At least let's get my margarita going. Just look how they've put like a container, like a, I don't know, it's like in a diagonal shape to form the upstairs, and then this is how you get upstairs, and then you have like seating down below. I think it's so cool. Let's go check out the upstairs for a bit. So you're literally like going up in the container. Upstairs outdoor eating area, and they have like little cute desks, or should I say tables and stools, a plant wall, or I think it's supposed to be a plant wall, but there are no plants.
It's not a start here, they're growing.
I'm done exploring and done drinking my margarita. We're gonna head now to dinner. So let's go do that. Let's see what Sean has planned because I don't know what dinner is or where dinner is tonight. This is all Sean's. So let's see what he's up to. I don't know where we're going, so I'm excited. We've actually eaten here before and the food is pretty good. You know, we had a burger. Let me say, I've had a burger here and it was good. They have regular burger and they have vegan burger. It's good. We're not eating here tonight. We're heading to wherever Sean has planned, so let's go do that. There's air conditioning in here. Feels so good because alright guys, so we just pulled up to the restaurant that Sean planned. It's a Thai Vietnamese restaurant. It's called Indochine, I don't know how it's pronounced, and it looks pretty cool, but it looks like it's gonna be a very long wait. There's a lot of people outside. Look at that. He wanted to make a reservation today, but they don't open until 5 o'clock, so he was unable to make the reservation. And as you know, men are very last minute because, you know, if it was me, I would have made the reservation from yesterday or the day before. But men, they wait until the last minute and yeah. Anyways, he's gone to check to see if there's any room for us. But it does look cool. The only Thai food I've ever had is Thai curry chicken. So I'm very curious and excited to try something new. And then the place looks like it's a vibe. But let me show you again. I'm still sitting in the car.
Yes, sir. They're not playing. Figure they never take reservations.
They don't take reservations?
No, they don't.
Ah, okay. Alright, so I take back what I said just now. They don't take reservations. Tell me about it now.
A place that gets this busy,
yeah,
I wouldn't imagine that they do. But we're 2 hours.
2 hours and it's 6:35.
Actually, there's 2 hours for inside, and I want to be outside.
Yeah.
And outside is like 2.5.
So do we come back for it? Can we like right there?
You're gonna get a text. You're gonna get a text message.
So it's 6:30, so it's 2.5 hours. So that's 9 o'clock. But then, what time do they close?
Close at 10.
And this man can't deal with these places, and they all close so early. Well, here's the thing. Here's what we can do. It's 6:30 now. We can go back to where we're coming from, get a burger, and then we'll be hungry again by 9. We can get one burger and share it.
Okay.
So that we don't have too much. And then at 9 we come and get this. So they're gonna send us a text whenever, you know, they have space available. But it does look.
Yo, this place jump.
It does look jumping.
Listen, I was asking like what was the best time to come, and they said not on a Saturday. But even if you come in the week, you still have like an hour and a half wait, because that's just how busy they get.
I wonder what's the pull factor.
When you get out, then you get in there and outside, you'll see.
Oh, so it's something special, guys. Well, it's gonna be dark when we come back, so I hope I'll be able to show you guys what's so special about here. But
if not, we'll tell you about it.
If not, we'll tell you about it. But no, I'm excited. I'm extra excited. Thanks for choosing this place, babe.
I wish I knew this is what it was. I probably wouldn't have. Just saying, don't have that kind of patience.
I know you don't.
But like I said, I'm gonna snack and then come back.
Let's go. 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 Back in. Let's a fire. Yes, start whopping. Let's shaking. Ease off. Breeze off. Exactly, let me know. Tell them so big I say so. Take your time, you're so well like lime. I put on here, you're not ready yet. Anyways, we are back at the cargo district. We're gonna have a burger, we're gonna have a snack until we get that text from that Thai place so that we can come and have dinner. So we just had the one burger. We just shared a burger. I know it's supposed to be the snack before the Thai food, but I'm full. But we still have 2 hours to wait for that, so we'll see if we'll get back hungry in 2 hours time. But burger was good. So we're in this other town called Rochielin Beach. It's more of a beach town, so like it's by the beach. Everybody's like in beach wear, beach attire, half naked, you know, beachy like. A lot of younger people and a lot of people that are visiting the area. But it's definitely a whole different culture and atmosphere and vibe here than the 2 places that we were earlier. Everywhere has their own little thing. We're about to explore here a bit before we head out to dinner. Yes, this is the time when I like to be outside, when the sun is hot.
The sun is shining.
The sun is setting.
Come, let's take a look at the beach.
Yeah, the sun is setting, so it's not hot. It's the perfect time of the evening for me, and I'm liking it. So as I mentioned, we're in a beach town, so we're heading out to the beach. And guys, the beach is a little bit different from the beaches that we know in the Caribbean. But a lot of people do come here for the beach, especially those that are living a little bit more up north. People from like Asheville and Charlotte and Fayetteville and inland people. A lot of them come. Tennessee, different states, come here for the beach because, you know, they don't have beaches there. So I do live close by to the beach. Though different, it's still a beach, and I appreciate that there's a beach here. And also I still feel a little bit islandish. Is that it? Like it's still, I'm not like completely removed from what I'm used to back home. So that's a good feeling. It gets warm in the summer, hot. Feel just like Jamaica. Hot. But let's look. So there's quite a bit of people on the beach, as you can see. It's the summertime, so people are out. Look at that. And it's, you know, it's getting dark, but people are still here.
want from me? What do you want from me? What do you want from me now? Well, I guess I'm wrong, well, with you by my side. With you by my side. Well, I'm in my head. She's standing in her underwear, looking down from a hotel room. The nightfall will be.
Well, that was cool. Different, but cool. But guess what? The restaurant that, you know, we're supposed to be going to, they just texted and said,
In the middle of our fun.
in the middle of our fun, they texted to say that we need to be there in 5 minutes, but we're 20 minutes from the restaurant. So I don't really know. We're 20 minutes out. They said come in 5 minutes or lose your seat. Imagine, we've been waiting for so long. You're gonna just give us 5 minutes, but we're gonna try to make it. Because I know Sean really wants us to go check that restaurant out, and I'm excited. So let's go do that. So we made it to our dinner reservation, and Bob Marley is playing. You know, he's coming in from the where?
Cool.
He's coming in from the cold.
That's it sound like.
I don't know. But the place is pretty cute. It's yeah, after we order, we'll take a look around and show you guys. But it's a neat little spot. But let's check out the menu. I'm not gonna be here with y'all all night long, you know. I'm gonna go enjoy my din. But I wanted to show you, and I'm gonna show you the place soon. It's cute, right? What do you guys think? We'll definitely try to come back maybe in the daytime so you guys can see, but it's cool. I'm hoping that the food matches up to the aesthetic. I'll let you know. So we are now at home. And how was your day?
It was a good day. It was fun. It's always fun with her.
Yeah.
And
it was fun for me too. I had a really good day. It was good exploring the city and the different towns and stuff like that, you know. And then the restaurant, it was a very nice environment. The food was okay. We got pepper steak and yellow Thai curry chicken, but the yellow Thai curry chicken, the flavor was good, but the chicken was hard.
yeah, the chicken tough.
It tastes like the chicken was old. But the good thing is that
mature, you know, chicken mature skin, the muscles, the meat tough.
yeah. But we told them, and they were nice enough to remove it from the bill. So that was cool. The pepper steak was good though. The only thing is that there was more vegetables than meat.
Yeah, but I feel like everywhere in the world I saw pepper steak do this.
Yeah.
Why is that?
Is steak expensive?
You know what? It just makes sense to me now.
Tell me.
Pepper steak, you get more pepper than the steak. The sweet pepper them putting on the pepper steak.
But isn't pepper steak for like the pepperiness?
Like the spiciness?
Pepper, the
no,
spice?
don't come with spiciness. And
Anyway.
we Jamaican make it spicy and call it pepper steak.
Well, it was a whole lot of pepper and a little bit of steak, but the steak was good.
So I steak them on the last part, right? You could have called it steak pepper.
I'm done. I'm done. Anyways, it was a beautiful evening. It was a good night. Enjoyed myself. Lots of Bob Marley was playing, like the entire Bob Marley album, maybe like on repeat. But this is where I'm gonna end today's vlog. Thank you for spending the day with us. We appreciate you being here. Please go ahead and tell me what was your favorite moment of today's video. Comment that below. Thank you for being a loyal and a true Rochielin supporter. Share this video with 3 of your friends or family members, and just keep rocking with us.
I'm tired.
Yeah, we're tired now, so we're gonna go enjoy the rest of the night.
Doing what old people do?
Doing what old people. Shut up. We're not.
Go to sleep.
We're going to bed. But anyways, thank you guys. Enjoy the rest of your evening or morning or day, whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you in the next one.
Rochielin, 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 with the vlogging. Rochielin, 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 a good sing thing, DIY thing, traveling, exploring, touring, a little ear thing, a little teaching, a be a fun thing, cause she not boring. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype.
Hey, it's Rochielin.